Hey guys, David here with Orlando Harley-Davidson. Today we are at our East location checking out the 2021 CVO Limited. The 2021 CVO Limited comes in two different colors this year. Here we have the royal purple and black fade, and it also comes in a bronze armor. CVO stands for Custom Vehicle Operations. So that means that this vehicle is decked out with all the special trim, all the special features, all the bells and whistles that are going to make it a top-of-the-line touring bike. If we come up front here, we'll see these beautiful Tomahawk wheels. If we take a look at the dash, we'll see the CVO gauges, the custom chrome gauge trim. Since this motorcycle is a CVO, that means it comes with the big boy, the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8. It is liquid cooled and it is the biggest displacement, most powerful motor you can get stock from a Harley. Up front here we have the LED Daymaker headlight and passing lamps. They do an amazing job of illuminating the road. The CVO Limited is definitely ready to log some serious miles. You'll see the fork mounted fairing up front is going to do an awesome job of keeping the wind off you. There's a nice big 6-gallon tank that's going to hold all the fuel you need to go longer in between stops. As you can see here, there's seating for both the rider and a passenger, and those are heated seats, which complement the heated grips very nicely. You can see that they have these high capacity saddlebags as well as the tour pack with a luggage rack. Being at the top of the model range, the CVOs do have the most performance. But what most people are going to notice right away is going to be the fit and finish on these motorcycles, and that's really what puts them in a class of their own. If you like to do long distance riding or two-up touring, or if you're just the type of person that will not settle for anything less than the best, then this is the right motorcycle for you. This is a top spec Harley-Davidson touring motorcycle, so of course it's coming with the RDRS, the Reflex Defensive Rider Systems. This is the electronic suite of features that come on the new CVO Limited. It features a rain mode, a hill hold feature, which will stop you from rolling backwards on an incline, as well as cornering ABS. Just a lot of features that the engineers at Harley have packed into this motorcycle to make it a little bit more modern and safe. And we've definitely gotten a lot of great feedback from our customers about it. One feature that most people might miss, unless they rode this bike at night, is that the switch housing here is actually illuminated. So as you ride at night, you're going to be able to see your controls labeled clearly. All right, guys, this wraps up our brief overview on the biggest, baddest bike that we got, the Big Mac Daddy, the 2021 CVO Limited. There's so many features on these bikes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are interested in this motorcycle or any of the other exciting Harley-Davidson motorcycles, please come see us at East Orlando Harley-Davidson here on Lake Underhill Road.